Hey, how would you like to get 20% off Kreg Tools? Stick around and I'll tell you how. Hey, are you a veteran? Then you can save 20% off Kreg Tools like the brand new Kreg 720 Pro, the 520 Pro, or some of their other products like the Kreg track and stop system, screws, or anything else on their website. Let's take a look at some of the savings. Okay, if you're thinking Kreg Tools, you're probably thinking pocket hole joinery. If you haven't seen my review on the Kreg 720 Pro, you may want to check that out before you make your purchase. I recommend not getting the Pro version with these extension wings. They have proven to be very weak and flimsy, so I would recommend the 720. And with your 20% off discount, that brings that $129 price down to $103. But hey, if you get the jig, you're also going to want to get a couple of clamps. Specifically the right angle clamp, which is designed to slip inside the pocket hole and clamp two workpieces together, nice and tight. You're going to want this clamp if you're making pocket hole joinery. And with your 20% off, that brings the price down to $31.99. But hey, that's not all where you can save. You may want to consider picking up the Precision Cut and Track Stop Kit, which is shown in the picture here for your miter saw. I've got one of those and it's a great tool. At $139.99, your 20% discount brings that price down to $111. So here's how it works. All you have to do is reach out to Kreg Tool Company. You can either call or email. They'll verify your veteran status and they'll give you a discount code worth 20% off their website. Now this code can't be shared and you can only use it 3 times. But hey, if you like Kreg Tools as much as I do and you decide to go shopping again, all you have to do is reach out to Kreg and they'll give you a new code that can be used for 3 more times. If you haven't seen my Kreg 720 Pro review, I'm going to throw a link right up here. You may want to go and check that out before you purchase. Hey, if you got some value out of this video, give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You'll get more tips and savings. If you have any questions, leave that in the comment section below. Well, go ahead. Go shopping. There's a lot of savings. No. Hey, if you're going to save a little money on Kreg, Hey, if you get value out of this video, give me that thumbs up. Jack, shut up. Go.